this is what you guys are asking about. This is the smoke detector, the one that's making. This is the one that's making all kinds of noises. Okay, this says that it's like 10 or 20 years. I think like 10 years or 15 years of usage. Okay, this is the one that's 15 years of usage or something. This is like the second or third smoke detector I have because it keeps making noise. It's been replaced at Home Depot. I took this to Home Depot and this is the one that's been replaced. And it's still not good. Look at this. See that? This one does, I don't know if it's, I think this is the one that doesn't, you don't replace batteries. You do not replace batteries on this one. This one is, the batteries are inside the smoke detector. As you guys can see, it makes noise, and I've already taken it to Home Depot and got it replaced. And they said there's nothing wrong with it. See that? This is like a smoke detector. It's not a smoke detector. I think it's I think it is a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector. But like I said, see, supposedly there's nothing wrong with it. But I remember about a month ago, it went off for no reason. It said that there was fire and smoke inside the house, which it wasn't true. So that's the reason I said it got replaced. I took it, got it replaced, and this is a new one. And I don't know what to do because I already taken it to Home Depot and they said it's working just fine. I got it replaced. This is like the second or third one and it keeps making noise. And even if I press and hold, it won't go off. See that? Which is weird. It won't go off. See that? It is annoying, like you guys mentioned, but there's nothing that I can really do about it. So I guess that's it. I don't know what you guys think I should do because you keep complaining. Yes, it does get annoying at times, but I can't do anything because, like I said, it's been replaced like 2 or 3 times already. Which this is supposedly like 10 or 20 years. I think it's like 10 or 15 years usage. And then the battery is locked inside the smoke detector. You can't replace batteries. So, I don't know. It says it lasts 10 years, the smoke detector, before it needs to be replaced. So this is like the second or third time being replaced. So I don't know what to do anymore. So you guys can give me some ideas.